Hi, I'm Sarah Brickel and I'm a professional singer, vocal coach and Estill Master Trainer. And today I'm going to talk to you about Estill Voice Training. To get all the information from this video, you can discover the secrets of Estill Voice Training by clicking the link and downloading my free guide. So what is Estill Voice Training? Estill Voice Training was born out of an amazing female singer's quest to find the truth about how the voice actually worked. Jo Estill was a professional singer and voice teacher who, although had performed internationally, was absolutely terrified on stage. Why? Because she said she didn't have a clue what she was actually doing. So after years of research and study and allowing 12 needles to be inserted into her throat, mouth and vocal musculature, Jo created Estill Voice Training. Estill Voice Training includes 13 figures for voice control and 6 voice qualities. The point behind the creation of the original model was to encourage and enable singers and voice users to master the basic movements of vocal function by working on their craft in order to unlock creativity, artistry, and performance magic. Estill Voice Training was an alternative, fresh, new approach to voice training. Despite people's original fears of this change of approach, Jo's discoveries have unlocked the possibilities for singers all over the world with a training system that has no aesthetic bias, standing by her belief that everyone has a beautiful voice. So why do I believe everyone should have this in their toolkit? I believe Estill Voice Training is a unique and inspirational approach to voice training. It's the core curriculum and essential tools that every singer and voice user needs and should know in order to unlock their true potential. It's the conditioning work that then makes your job as a performer easier, healthier, and gives you control and confidence over how you use your voice. Instead of living in fear that your voice won't stand up to the challenge, you can finally trust your voice to do the job that you've actually trained it to do, consistently, day in and day out. The main reason I think everyone should do this? Because I love it. And I know that it works. I've been using these tools for over 20 years myself as a professional singer, and I share this work as a singing teacher and vocal coach with my students every single day. There is nothing more effective than Estill Voice Training in diagnosing a singer's issue, solving the problem quickly and effectively, and empowering each individual with the tools they need to overcome any obstacles that may come their way. What can it do for you? Well, Estill Voice Training gives you control, choice, colour, texture, consistency, confidence, versatility, better vocal health, understanding of the workings of the vocal instrument, a connection to yourself and your voice that you may have never experienced before. It gives you real results and answers to your vocal questions and problems. It gives you a clear understanding of how to use power, breath from the lungs, source the true vocal folds, and filter the vocal tract, the mouth, nose, tongue, soft palate, lips, and jaw. And all that you can see, hear, and feel. You even get to see your vocal tract resonance on a spectrogram called voice print. And if you really want to geek out on voice, then Estill Voice Training goes the extra mile. What will you learn? The core of Estill Voice Training includes 13 figures for voice control, true vocal fold onsets and offsets, true vocal fold body cover, false vocal folds, control of the thyroid cartilage, cricoid cartilage, AES control, larynx control, velum control, head and neck anchoring, torso anchoring, jaw, tongue, lips, all of this wonderful stuff, and how to create 6 voice qualities: speech, falsetto, sob, cry, twang, belt, and opera. So what will the transformation be? You will develop full use of your vocal mechanism with no limitations. You will no longer be bound by your attractor state, so known in Estill Voice Training as the setup you are naturally drawn to or what you have been taught to do. You will have a choice to sound any way you like, therefore opening you up to new vocal exploration, creativity, expression, and a unique sound that you have created and chosen for yourself. See, hear, and feel are key focus in Estill Voice Training, and it is key to understanding and unlocking your vocal abilities and potential. You will not only learn what different elements sound like, but also tap into what they feel like within your body. It truly is a mind-body experience. What if it doesn't work for you? Well, like anything in life, if you want to be good at something, you have to put the work into it. So mastering the elements of Estill Voice Training takes time, commitment, and an attitude of total surrender and an open mindset, enabling you to let go of old habits and self-limiting beliefs that really don't serve you anymore. So whether it works or not is actually down to you. Having said that, often transformation in students can be quick. Everyone has the ability to make all the sounds in Estill Voice Training. Many people leave courses and workshops having had a light bulb moment that has changed the way they approach singing and voice work forever. The possibilities are endless. So here's a quick reminder of why you'll love this. Estill Voice Training is science and evidence-based. You're going to get enhanced vocal health and longevity, versatility and flexibility, and it's life-changing. It's fun, you get results and answers, there's no aesthetic bias, and everyone, and I mean everyone, has a beautiful voice. So where do I start, you might be asking? Starting your journey in Estill Voice Training is a very exciting time. Estill Voice Training for me has been life-changing. I know that sounds a bit crazy for voice training, but there really is no other way to describe it. Estill Voice Training has been a positive, inspiring, informative, and practical way to explore and develop all the possibilities of my vocal mechanism. It has had such an impact on my vocal abilities as a professional singer and my understanding of the voice as a singing teacher and vocal coach. I have worked hard to become an Estill Master Trainer so I could share the amazing model with others. I would like to share it with you. Getting started for you could mean working in a group or a one-to-one with a certified Estill Master Trainer like myself. A great place to start, however, is an introductory workshop, which will give you a flavour of what you can expect before committing to a full Level 1 and Level 2 course. I offer in-person and online live group training days for those new or returning to Estill Voice Training. So why not sign up to my next introductory workshop, discover the secrets to Estill Voice Training, and you can sign up by clicking the link below. Don't forget to like and share this video with anyone that you think would find it useful.